Hey love bugs, so we're gonna get right into this tutorial. I am using this hair that I got from Heat Free Hair that I just found randomly while googling drawstring ponytails, and I really loved it. I think this is a 24-inch and it's a really thick bundle. I'll make sure I have the link down below. And so I want to obviously get this to my hair color that I have, the ginger red, so we about to dye it. So I'm going to be using the 20 volume developer, and I'm also going to be using a lightener. By the way, this is the same formula I use for any extension, wig, whatever. This is the same formula I use. I don't do nothing different because it works and I ain't finna fix it. So I'm just gonna mix it all together. I try not to leave the bleach on for too long because with curly hair, it can tend to loosen the curl pattern, which is what I do not want to do with this unit. So I only left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and let it bake and marinate and get really nice and juicy. And then after rinsing it out, as you can see, it's like this nice golden copperish color. And so I'm going to use the Cream of Nature Vivid Red. I use this every single time. I always want to know how I color my units. This is it. And then I also switch it up just a little bit. This is the Dark and Lovely Spicy Red. And so I mixed the two together. And so I'm just going to start at the bottom and work my way on up. I think I let this set for about 45 minutes because it really needed to pick up some of the color at the bottom. And I think I had to reapply some color because it was still kind of dark, but I got it to where I want it to be. So I just slicked my hair on back. This is like the worst slick back I've ever done, but I just needed to do it for the sake of this video. And I had a photo shoot the next day. So real quick, this is the unit. It has two clips at the front and the bottom and a drawstring, literally. You basically clip it to your hair and you pull it and it pulls right on top of your bun. And that's it. So it's really that simple, and this is something you can take off at the end of the night, so that's why I love it. So I'm just gonna plop this thing right on my head and clip it at the very top, and then I'm going to loop it on around in the back and clip it at the nape of my pony. And then I'm gonna just take the drawstring, pull it all the way out as tight as I can get it around the ball of my hair, and then secure it and wrap it on around. I'm glad I showed you guys how it looks prior to. And I just wrapped the rest of the band around and placed a bobby pin in it. After that, I'm just gonna pick it on out. And as you can see, I got the color as close to my current hair color as possible. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but the curls did not go anywhere. Like the bleach did not ruin the curls. So this is definitely a unit that I would recommend. This is a really long unit and it's heavy. So they have, you know, different sizes and different lengths and different volumes. So you just kind of have to pick what works best for you. That was pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along with because I know I've been getting so many questions on how I color my units sometimes. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did that. So make sure you guys please rate this video, thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.